Welcome to Ireland. Ireland, known as the Emerald Isle, is an attractive destination with unspoiled beauty, long history, and rich culture. Located in northwest Europe, Ireland not only conquers visitors with its breathtaking landscapes, but also with the hospitality and warmth of its people. Exploring Ireland is a journey through natural wonders, from the majestic cliffs of Moher, peaceful mountains and lakes in Connemara, to the wild coastline along the wild Atlantic Way. It is also home to many unique historical sites, such as the Rock of Cashel, Killarney Abbey, and ancient castles spread across the country. Ireland is also famous as the cradle of traditional literature and music. You can take a walk through Dublin, the city of legendary writers, or enjoy the vibrant sounds in the cozy pubs of Temple Bar. In addition, unique festivals such as St. Patrick's Day or the local cuisine will make you remember forever. Ireland is not just a destination, but a place to feel a deep connection between people, nature, and fairy tales. This is the land that captivates anyone who sets foot on it. How much do you know about Ireland? We have a fun quiz for you. Who is considered the patron saint of Ireland? Please leave your answer in the comments section. Interesting facts you may not know about Ireland. Ireland has more than 30,000 castles. Ireland is a land of fairy tales, and one of the things that makes it so special is that there are more than 30,000 castles that still exist today. These castles are not only symbols of history, but also testament to the wealth and power of noble families, warriors, and ancient clans. From grand castles like Killarney Castle, home to the famous Talking Stone, to smaller, abandoned, but mysterious castles, each one holds its own story of wars, political marriages, and lost treasures. These castles are also places associated with Irish myths and legends. You can easily come across stories about spirits, ghosts, or secrets that have not been revealed, making every visit to a castle not only a historical discovery, but also a mysterious adventure. Ireland is truly the land of castles, where every stone, every wall tells a part of an interesting historical story. And now, let's start our journey to discover the most beautiful places in Ireland. Don't forget to support the channel by like video, subscribe to channel, notify. Cliffs of Moher. Under the deep blue sky of West Ireland, the Cliffs of Moher appear as a breathtaking natural wonder, enchanting anyone who sets foot on it. Located on the Atlantic coast of County Clare, these majestic cliffs stretch for more than 8 kilometers, with the highest point reaching to 114 meters above sea level. This is not only one of the most famous tourist destinations in Ireland, but also a symbol of the wild, mysterious beauty bestowed by nature. Standing at the top of the cliffs, you will be rewarded with stunning views, powerful waves crashing against the rocks, seabirds circling in the wind, and the Aran Islands looming on the horizon. Rich in biodiversity, the cliffs of Moher are also home to dozens of bird species, from yellow-billed albatrosses to fairy puffins. In addition, the visitor center here provides a lot of interesting information about the history, geology, and environment of the area, helping you understand more about the special value of this place. With its natural beauty and vast space, the Cliffs of Moher is not only a destination, but also a place to listen to the call of the ocean and feel the magic of the earth. Dublin City. Dublin, the capital of Ireland, is a vibrant city where history meets modern life. Situated on the banks of the River Liffey, Dublin is the country's cultural, economic, and political center, and home to many quintessentially Irish stories and traditions. The city offers a fascinating journey of discovery, from its quaint cobblestone streets to its timeless architecture. Start at Trinity College, where you can admire the old library and the famous Book of Kells. From there, you can walk to Dublin Castle, a symbol of power through the centuries, before stopping at St. Patrick's Cathedral, Ireland's largest church. The Temple Bar area with its vibrant streets, traditional pubs, and live music is a must-visit if you want to get a feel for the true Dublin spirit. Don't forget to visit the Guinness Storehouse to learn about the history of the world-famous beer. Or immerse yourself in the greenery of Phoenix Park, one of Europe's largest urban parks. With its perfect blend of past, present, and future, Dublin is more than just a destination. It's a source of endless inspiration. Killarney National Park, the green gem of County Kerry, is a must-see when exploring the southwest of Ireland. Established in 1932, it was Ireland's first national park and is renowned for its stunning landscapes and diverse ecosystems. Nestled between the McGillicuddy's Reeks and three crystal-clear lakes, Killarney offers visitors a tranquil setting where natural beauty meets history and culture. One of the highlights of the park is Ross Castle, a 15th century fortress located on the shores of Loch Lean. From here, you can take a boat trip to explore the small islands or simply enjoy the stunning sunsets. Additionally, Mucker's House and Gardens, a classic Victorian mansion, is an ideal place to learn about history and old aristocratic life. Skellig Michael, a small island off the coast of County Kerry, is a unique natural and cultural wonder of Ireland, recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. The island is famous for its 6th century monastery on the top, where monks once lived in seclusion. To reach the monastery, visitors must climb more than 600 stone steps, amidst majestic views of the sea and cliffs. Connemara, located in the west of Ireland and County Galway, is a land of wild and charming beauty, where nature appears with a wonderful blend of mountains, lakes, and coastline. This is where the beauty of Ireland is most evident, with green fields, ancient stone walls, and gentle hills stretching endlessly. Connemara's highlight is Killarney Abbey, a historic abbey overlooking Lake Poetic, surrounded by the majestic 12 Bends. The structure impresses not only with its unique Gothic architecture but also with its meticulously maintained gardens. Nearby, the sparkling jewel-like lakes and winding paths are ideal for walking or cycling. Connemara is a place for those who want to get back to nature, listen to the wind rustling through the hills, and feel the peace of a fairy tale land. The pristine and poetic beauty of Connemara will leave you unforgettable. Nicknamed the Citadel of Kings, it was the center of political and religious power for over 1,000 years and is associated with many legendary stories and important events in Irish history. It is also associated with the legend of Saint Patrick, the patron saint of Ireland, who is said to have converted King Aengus at this very spot. With sweeping views across the Golden Vale, the Rock of Cashel is not only a historical landmark, but also a stunning viewpoint. The Wild Atlantic Way, the world's longest coastal road, is a magical 2,500 kilometers journey from Donegal in the north to Cork in the south of Ireland. Along the way, you will see the wild, majestic beauty of the Atlantic coast, with white-capped waves crashing against steep cliffs and endless beaches. Every stretch of the Wild Atlantic Way offers an unforgettable experience. Explore natural wonders such as the cliffs of Moher, where you can see the ocean from hundreds of meters above, or the Sleeve League Cliffs, one of the highest cliffs in Europe. The Wild Atlantic Way is more than just a route. It is a journey to discover the perfect combination of nature, culture, and people of Ireland. With every kilometer, you will feel the vitality of the sea and the enchantment of this legendary land. The journey to explore Ireland takes us through lands full of life, where nature, history, and culture blend perfectly. Ireland is not only a land for tourists to admire, but also a place to feel the breath of time, the gentleness of people, and the magic of nature. Thank you for accompanying See the World for K. See you again in the next journeys. Don't forget to click like video, subscribe to channel, to notify.